Hi everyone, it's me Jamshed Raza from professionaltutorial.com and it is the second video which I am creating. Like, if the device is unreachable in your iPhone device, then and if you have also changed your cable and it is not working again, then you have tried this setting. For that one, you have to come in your setting, and in setting you are going to come here in photo. Like, we have here photo, and in photos you are going to click that one, and after clicking that one you will see an option that the transfer to Mac or PC. There the option is just checked on automatic. You are going to just press keep original, and when you are going to do that one, then now you can connect your cable and transfer your data from your iPhone to Mac or PC. If you are directly coming to that video and this setting is not working, then I will provide the link in the description that you should also check that video to find out if that setting will work. Thank you everyone. Keep sharing that video, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe that channel. Thank you everyone.